All right, in our office, we talk a lot between the difference between the traditional estate planning versus legacy planning. Right, most quote unquote estate planning has to do with leaving your stuff, right? Who gets the house, who gets the car, who would take care of the children if something were to happen to the parents, all great things, all things you definitely want to consider, all things you want to take in consideration. But one of the main pieces that I think is missing from that traditional estate planning is the legacy planning, meaning, who's gonna remember what you were like? How are you going to be able to pass down, your memories, your childhood experiences, your life lessons, those things that you would maybe want to teach to your children, your grandchildren, your great grandchildren. So something we always encourage our clients to do, and there's a couple things that we provide to them, but consider doing, and there's a lot of really great tools out there, a lot of great services out there, but consider doing some sort of recording, some sort of video recording where you kind of, walk through your history, walk through your childhood, walk through the things that you grew up with, your hardships, your triumphs, where basic things that you would want your loved ones to know about you. Write it down, maybe start journaling, write some of those things down. But when you're, and this is if you're doing your traditional estate plan, which you definitely want to do, think about doing the legacy planning. Think about, maybe obviously you probably know your kids, but maybe, you don't know your grandchildren yet, or your kids don't have grandkids yet, certainly probably not your great grandchildren. So start thinking about those things. And when you're doing your estate plan, speak with your estate planning attorney, see if they provide any services so that you can actually do legacy planning as opposed to just traditional estate planning.